Hi foodies, it's your favorite chef here and I'm back with this amazing recipe. This rice dish is so flavorful, packed with amazing spices and so yummy. Plus this beef koftas, end of discussion. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and comment. So in your pot you're going to add some vegetable oil, just enough to cook your rice. Then you're going to add in the following spices: some star anise, cloves, negro pepper, coriander, bay leaves, and of course you'll be adding some cardamom and some cumin. So fry that a bit, then go in with your onions and some ginger and garlic paste. You need to fry this so that it releases all the flavor and aroma. Then go in with some pepper mix. This is just chili pepper crushed together. So fry that a bit, then add in your washed rice. This is raw rice, by the way. You're going to cook that later. Fry this for about 5 minutes by continuously stirring. This will help you get a fluffy, nice rice that is not lumpy and all that. I don't know how to explain that, but frying your rice helps it. Yeah, if you know what I mean. So after frying for a bit, you're going to go in with some curry, some white pepper, black pepper, and of course your seasoning. After adding your seasoning, you're going to go in with some water, enough to cook the rice. Okay, so give everything a good stir, and you're going to go in with your saffron water. This is just saffron dissolved, mixed with water. After that, add in your salt, adjust your seasoning, and give it another last stir and cover and allow it to cook. Okay guys, like I said, this rice dish is so amazing. You need to give it a try, and also feel free to tweak anything you don't like in the recipe. I added some chili pepper before closing, and that's that for that. This is my leftover burger patty that I made, so I'll be using the leftover to make this beef koftas. You're going to just mold it like I did in the video, and you're going to grill it using either your normal frying pan or your grill pan. So this is it. I got about 8 pieces of it or more, I forgot, and this is me just grilling it in my grill pan. Like I said, you can use your frying pan if you don't have a grill pan. Okay, so once the other side is cooked, flip and allow the other side to cook also. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe, share and comment. This really goes a long way and will really help me build my YouTube channel. So guys, don't forget to please subscribe and comment. Also share with your friends and family. This is also a rice dish that you can make during this Eid period, if you know what I'm saying. And also don't forget, you can tweak anything you don't like in the recipe and go for what you like. Okay, but make sure you follow the steps and procedures, and you mustn't eat yours with this beef koftas. You can as well pair this with fish, any protein of choice, or anything you basically have in your kitchen. So after grilling the koftas, now my rice is ready, almost ready. I'm going to put the koftas in, and then I'm going to steam this further for another extra 10 minutes for everything to just cook down completely. Add in your foil paper, cover it and allow it to steam a bit on low heat. You can find details of all recipes that I used in the caption or in the description box below. So this is it. After, I'm going to smoke this a bit for that fluffy, smoky flavor using my hot coal and oil. Cover it again and allow it to steam for another minute or so, and that's that for that. I'm sure everybody knows how to do this. So remove the coal, and at this junction I'm going to remove my beef koftas and set that aside. So here's the fun fact. Actually, you're going to transform this using veggies. I love adding veggies to my food. So I'm going to add in some grated carrots and some bell peppers plus onions. Feel free to omit this if you don't like this or if you don't have. Basically, I cook with what I have in my kitchen or in my fridge. Okay, so give everything a good stir just like that, and that's that for that, guys. My rice is ready. So if you're not following me on Instagram, please do so, and follow me on TikTok at Chef Amos. And if you have any question regarding this, just leave the question in the comment section. I'll respond to that. So now it's time to plate. You're going to add your rice, of course. Just normal plating, add your rice, and then you're going to arrange those juicy beef copters, just like I'm doing. Put that chili, it's very important in plating your rice dish, and then you're going to go in with some spring onions just to garnish. And there you have it, guys. Super flavorful rice, yummy. It's finished that day, and see you guys in my next video.